Okay, so today we are gonna review the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G. It comes in two colors. The first color is Apricot Crush, which is orange color basically, and the second is Raisin Black. It comes with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, and if you compare it with the other phones in this price segment, I'm gonna compare this phone with the OnePlus 11R 5G. So the OnePlus 11R 5G has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and the price tag is almost the same as Galaxy F55 5G. And if you see the comparison between these two processors, you will notice that the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is much better than the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. So especially for gaming, I don't think you should buy this phone because there are better options available at this price range. Now let's talk about the design. One thing I really like about the Galaxy F55 5G is the design language. It has this minimalistic feel to it that I really love. Now if you look at these other phones, they have these really big cameras which I find really ugly. It has a leather back as well, which I really like. Now of course this is a personal preference and it will differ from person to person. This phone comes with two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, and you get two options for the RAM as well, that is 8GB and 12GB. This phone supports 4K video recording at 30 fps, but still I would say that the camera is pretty average. In low light conditions the quality is not as good. It has a 50 megapixel front camera and a triple rear camera setup. The main rear camera is also 50 megapixel. It has a 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor which does its job, but the images are a bit oversaturated. It supports reverse charging, which basically means that you can use your phone to charge other devices like another smartphone or a smartwatch. It also has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, but it has a pixel density of 393 ppi, which is a bit less when you compare it with the other phones in this price segment that have a ppi of around 450. Now ppi stands for pixels per inch, and a higher ppi generally results in sharper and clearer images because there are more pixels per unit area. It runs on Android 14 and has One UI 6.1. Samsung has also promised 4 years of Android updates for this phone, so that's a good thing. It sadly does not have the premium AI features, but I can tell you that the interface is really clean. It has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 45 watt fast charging. But the sad thing is that there is no charger in the box. You'll have to buy it separately. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a solid pick with a premium look and feel, but it does have some drawbacks that I mentioned in this video. Now, if you are thinking of buying the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G, I will give you some other options to check out. Nothing Phone 2A, OnePlus 11R 5G, Vivo E30e 5G, and Motorola H40 5G. Compare the Galaxy F55 5G to all of these phones and then choose whichever one is the best according to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.